Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shante Kaneisha and this is a DIY oatmeal face mask. So first you're going to need some water. Good water and then some lemon juice. Lemon. Pour your lemon juice into your cup of water, and I didn't measure all my ingredients. Everything is eyeballed. Yeah, next I'm going to use some oatmeal. This is the oatmeal cereal for babies. I had a pile of this oatmeal cereal and I don't give it to my babe. I was actually getting it to give it to someone else, but I couldn't find anyone, so I had this idea of making a face mask with it. So then I'm going to use some honey. Add some honey in there also. And the benefits of this oatmeal face mask is to get rid of acne, those dark spots, even those flakes that you can have on your face. My nose peel a lot, so this is why I'm doing it, to decrease the flakes that are on my nose, and also it helps with dryness. And I'm also still doing my turmeric face mask. You can check that out in my other video. And see, the bottom of my face is darker than the top, so I'm trying to even out my face, and that's what the turmeric face mask will do. But with the oatmeal face mask, it was soupy at first. I'm going to add a little bit of more oatmeal cereal to it to get it a little bit thicker. That way it won't fall everywhere. And just mix it up to your desired consistency. And this is when I added some more oatmeal cereal to my little bit of cup. So then I'm just going to apply it to my face. So that's my consistency. Next I'm going to apply it to my face. I thought using a spoon would actually help, but it didn't. The oatmeal was starting to fall. So I just started using my fingers and just put it around in a circular motion all over my face. It's falling, so it can get a little messy, so just be careful to when you're applying this oatmeal face mask to your face. Just put it around in circles. Get rid of these the flakes that are around my face, like the dry skin that peels around my nose. I don't really have a problem with acne. I will get some bumps like every now and then, but I don't really have a problem with acne. My thing is just the peeling around my nose, and the bottom half is darker than the top. So I'm just going to continue to apply this to my face. Put it around in a circular motion and making sure that I rub this oatmeal into on my skin. Now this, as y'all know, that the oatmeal cereal, it does have a weird smell to it, and I was so ready to get this stuff off of my face because I hate the smell of this oatmeal cereal. But I found out that all of this oatmeal that I have just sitting around, I can't find anyone to give it to. I can just put it on my face. And that way I can get rid of this stuff. It's not, it doesn't dry my skin out. I know one of the things that it helps with dry skin. My face isn't oily anyway, but this face mask, it helped smooth my face. My face, when I washed it out, it felt like a baby's bottom. Like it was super, super soft. So that's one of the benefits with the oatmeal face mask. So I'm just rubbing it on there, making sure that I get my entire face all around my hairline, and to not put it in my hair. It doesn't have any dye thing in it, so it won't like stay in my hair, but I just want to make sure I stay out of my hairline. So I left this on for 3 to 5 minutes. Just playing around with the camera, trying to get more used to the camera. And I had a lot left, so I made too much. As you can see in the beginning, I used the oatmeal cereal, honey, lemon juice, and some water. So here I have my fiance coming in. He didn't want to be on camera, but I talked him into being on camera because he loved doing these little DIYs that I do, especially the deep conditioner. Hey Shante, when are you gonna deep condition your hair? I want to deep condition mine. So here he is. My face was freshly washed. I didn't have anything on my face, and here I am just putting it on his face. His face is dry, just like how mine was. You see it, Daddy? Applying it around in a circular motion. Now he could have done this himself, but y'all know men want to be pampered. And I'm just going around his face, making sure that I get his entire face. So I just finished applying the mask to his face. As you can tell, it's all over our faces. Mine is drying out because I had mine on longer than his. It doesn't stiffen your face, so that is a great benefit of this face mask. You don't have to worry about it getting hard, tightening your face. So I left mine on about 7 minutes, I think, because I forgot to look at the time. Um, I'm just using a warm rag to wipe this off my face, and I'm being gentle because don't want the oatmeal to get everywhere. So I'm being very gentle with wiping this off, and of course making sure that I don't get any in my hair, because I just done a deep condition yesterday. Yeah, I just done a deep condition yesterday. So I continue to wipe that off with a warm rag, and I'm using this towel to pat dry my face. And it's just something about patting your face when you're washing it and when you're drying it, instead of just rubbing your face. It's just something about it. So as you can see, my face is smooth. It looks super soft. I'm loving how this oatmeal done my face. Like, this is like amazing. And look at that angle. I love that angle. That's what I actually said. Look at this angle. My face is extremely soft. It looks so smooth. It was looking smooth before I done a video. But I just love the benefits of this oatmeal face mask. Like, look at this. Are y'all going to try it next? I'm just, like, amazed right now. I love it. It feels like butter. And here I am using this Vaseline moisturizer to moisturize my face. And this vitamin E oil. I'm going to mix them both together and moisturize my face now that all of the oatmeal is off. The vitamin E oil, it also helps with dryness. And I just have a habit of rubbing my hands together and then putting the lotion on my face. Like, I just have a habit of doing it. Like, my face is super, super smooth and everything. I'm loving it. I think I can do this every day because it is not harmful at all. Make sure y'all follow me on my other sites on Facebook at Shante Kaneisha, Instagram at Kiss My Capricorn. Thank you.